Welcome to the Truvius Product Learning Series. In this video on our alpha portfolios, we'll go over the 3 types of Truvius portfolios and how alpha fits in with them. We'll recap our market portfolios and explain why they matter for understanding alpha, as well as the differences between smart beta and alpha. And then we'll dive into how our alpha portfolios work. After which we'll cover considerations to determine if our alpha portfolios are the right digital investing solution for you. By the end of this video, you should come away with an improved understanding of the differences between passive and active investing options, and learn about how Truvius uses certain crypto fundamentals to systematically manage active digital asset portfolios. We'll start with a quick product overview. At Truvius, we offer 3 types of portfolios that range from more passive to more active solutions, all of which have their own learning video within the Truvius Product Learning Series. When you invest in any of these products, our platform handles your entire investment experience automatically, meaning you never have to worry about setting up complicated crypto wallets or performing your own trading. You'll get all of that right here at Truvius. We cover the benefits of our platform in a separate video, or you can sign up today to see them firsthand. For now, we'll dive back into alpha portfolios. But in order to discuss alpha portfolios, we need to first understand market portfolios, as they play a critical role for alpha. If you haven't already, go back and watch our other product learning videos on market and smart beta portfolios to see how we build market portfolios and how they're also used as the benchmark for our actively managed products, including alpha portfolios. With those concepts in mind, we'll turn to our alpha portfolio deep dive. Let's jump in. Alpha shares portfolio construction commonalities with market portfolios. They are both strategically allocated to the same 5 sector-specific crypto indices. They both hold the same 20 to 30 crypto assets. But those assets are not just passively held proportional to their market capitalizations. This last difference is the key distinction between the market and alpha versions of a Truvius portfolio and leads us to ask, if it's not a purely passive portfolio, what exactly is alpha? We'll start with the answer and subsequently step through a detailed example. Alpha portfolios represent our best thinking through quantitative active management, harnessing the full suite of signals in our actively managed investment models. Specifically, alpha portfolios seek outperformance versus the corresponding market portfolio and are implemented in a way such that these excess or active returns are by design uncorrelated to the benchmark. This leads to an important question. Why would an investor want this for their portfolio? Instead of simply investing in the overall crypto market with a purely passive portfolio, alpha portfolios use crypto-specific economic fundamentals with the goal of outperforming market portfolios. Additionally, unlike smart beta portfolios, alpha portfolios utilize the full suite of our entire investment model, whereas smart beta portfolios only use a subset of our overall investment models. Importantly, alpha portfolios by design seek excess returns that are uncorrelated to the market portfolio benchmark. These additional considerations, along with certain risk estimate inputs used to target the volatility of excess returns, are key distinctions between smart beta and alpha. Let's turn our attention to how this systematic process works. Instead of investing passively in the market, alpha portfolios dynamically allocate more weight or less weight to the assets in your portfolio based on how well they are currently scoring on crypto-specific fundamental metrics. Another term for this type of investing is called systematic active management. Systematic active management can be particularly powerful because it is implemented according to a computerized, rules-based process, which is exactly what we do at Truvius. Using a rules-based investment approach, our systematic process automatically overweights assets that exhibit stronger fundamentals and actively underweights assets with weaker fundamentals. Let's step through an example. Here we see how an illustrative hypothetical crypto portfolio is allocated. The gray bars represent a passive portfolio's allocations, and the green bars represent an alpha portfolio's allocations. In this example, 50% of the passive portfolio is allocated to Bitcoin, 25% to Ethereum, and so on. But notice the alpha portfolio holds more Bitcoin and more of crypto asset 3 compared to the passive portfolio. This indicates that the alpha portfolio wants to actively invest more of the portfolio in these 2 crypto assets because they are exhibiting stronger fundamentals. Conversely, the Alpha portfolio holds less Ethereum and less of crypto asset 4 compared to the passive portfolio. This indicates that the Alpha portfolio wants to actively allocate less of the portfolio to these assets because they are exhibiting weaker fundamentals. So, what are the types of fundamental data we incorporate into our Alpha portfolios? Certain examples include trading-related trends observed in markets, including price momentum and liquidity activity. Other examples include novel types of blockchain-specific fundamentals that Truvius has identified and continues to add through our expert-led research process. When evaluating whether Alpha is the right investment approach for you, there are several other important considerations investors should take into account for an actively managed approach, including Alpha portfolios may exhibit periods of underperformance versus market portfolios, potentially for extended periods of time. At Truvius, our actively managed portfolios systematically allocate more weight to assets favored by our models, which may not coincide with assets favored by the market and thus lead to periods of reduced returns compared to the portfolio's benchmark. Actively managed products may also result in higher overall portfolio volatility compared to a passive investment. As such, Alpha portfolios are best suited for investors who are comfortable with the potentially elevated risk-return profile of this offering compared to our market portfolios. Let's recap. Today we covered the 3 types of Truvius portfolio offerings to get you institution-quality exposure to crypto. We recapped market portfolios' role as the benchmark for Alpha portfolios and how Alpha portfolios differ from smart beta. And we stepped through the what, why, and how of Truvius Alpha portfolios, as well as the key considerations when determining whether they are right for you. Thanks for learning with us today. Be sure to check out the other videos in our Truvius Product Learning Series and sign up to start your crypto investing experience for the long run today.